Troops, the Jedi of Believe, and you're here in the office of the Always Believe House. Today, we're going to work on your homework on systems of equations, on word problems. Piece of cake, you should start eat better with these. So a magical whiteboard appears, and you have your homework, which is on page 15, okay? So we're going to go through the first problem. Remember, we're using X and Y, then we're going to plug them in the calculator. And I'm not going to do all these for you. I'm going to help set them up, but you should be getting better at this, okay? So number one, the owner of a clothing store buys T-shirts for C dollars and sells them for P dollars. Last month she bought 600 shirts and made a profit of $2,800. This month she bought 400 T-shirts and sold them all and made a profit of $2,400. Which system of equations can be used to find C and P? So we're going to use X and Y. Now then, last month she purchased 600, so she sells them, or she buys them for X and she sells them for Y. So when you buy them, you're losing money, and when you sell them, you're adding money. Okay? So when you buy the shirts, you're going to pay them, and when you sell them, you're going to make your money. So last month she bought 600 T-shirts, so that's going to be negative 600X, and she sold 500 plus 500Y, and she made a profit of $2,800. That's the first time you've had a problem like this. So X is going to equal to the cost, and Y is going to equal to the profit, okay, or selling, okay? That's going to be the sell cost. So that's going to be our two answers. Okay, so whenever you buy them, you're spending money. Whenever you sell them, if you make a profit, you're going to have a positive number. Then she bought 400 shirts, so that's going to be 400X. She sold all of them plus 400Y, and she made a profit of $2,400. You will type this into menu 3 to enter. So you'll type menu 3 to enter, type those equations in. Your answer will be what it costs and what she sells them for. Okay, so the X is going to be how much it cost her. The Y is going to be how much she sells them for. You would be surprised if you go into retail. They're making at least 300% profit to stay in business. Let's go to number two. That's the first time you've had a problem like that. Okay, so number two, two customers went to the post office to buy postcards and large envelopes. So we're going to let X be the postcards and Y be the large envelopes. Each postcard costs the same amount and each large envelope costs the same amount. Okay, so let's write down X equals postcard and Y equals envelope. Draw two blanks. That's where our answers are going to go. So the first customer paid, so this is going to be 14X plus 5Y equals $12, and I'm going to let you set up the next equation. Okay, you should be able to set up the next equation. Menu 3 to enter, get the answers. Go into the next one, okay? The bus travels two different routes, the green route and the blue route, so X and Y. So X equals green, Y equals blue, and then we're going to get our equations. On Monday, the bus traveled the green route 6 times for a total. This is going to be pretty easy. So this will be 6X, 5Y, a total. This will be 12X, 13Y, and a total. So set these up. You're going to have X plus something Y equals a total. I'm not going to do this for you. Hit menu 3 to enter. Boom, you got your answer. Going down to the next one. Should start getting better at this. Okay, so a manager purchased 21 coffee mugs and keychains. So X and Y. So X will be the mugs. Y will be the chains. And they did 21. So X plus Y equals 21, and then you got your money equation. I'm going to let you write your money equation down. You're going to hit menu 3 to enter into the calculator, get your two answers, okay? One wall inside a shoe store is used to display walking shoes and running shoes, X and Y. There are 135 shoes on the display, so X equals walking. Let me write the X right. Y equals running. Our total is going to be 135. There's 1.5 times as many pair of walking shoes as there are running shoes. Okay? So this right here, the as would be your equal. So 1.5 walking is x equals running. So those would be your two equations. Made you 3-2 enter. Type them into the calculator. Piece of cake. These should start getting easier. You're going to get better at this. Keep working at this. You're going to improve. Remember, you got the calculator to help you out. You are amazing. You are created to do wonderful things. And you are awesome.